Hey you guys, I am in Dollar Tree. I just walked in. I want to check out the register area in a minute, but I'm going to start actually over here by the cosmetics to see if there is anything new. That green color. So I hope you guys come with me. Oh, they got more of the Dramatic Lash LA Colors mascara. Volume Black, Defining Black, and Lush Black. They still got those. The chunky lips. What is that? The eyeshadows. The highlighters. Glow Time. Shine Bright. And Sun Goddess back here. Put that right there. The liquid shimmer highlighters, the lip duo pencils, all of the lip gloss, the matte liquid liners. I had recently showed you guys these. There's black. They do have this metallic rose gold. Oh, I didn't see that one. Metallic gold. And then they do have a metallic lavender. Oh, they got some new Emoji Lip Balms. The funny thing is I saw these inside of Walgreens some time ago, so that's cool. Flavored lip balms. What's the flavor? French vanilla. Let me see if they're different. No, French vanilla so far. Oh, coconut cream. That one. Frosted mint. Oh, they're hard to pull out though. Cherry. And let's see what this last one is. This one is cherry as well, so that's cool. And then that's it for right here, besides the charcoal acne scrub and more of the cleanser. And above there wasn't anything really, just the same stuff. The Wet n Wild brushes, the eyeliner, all this stuff. So I'm gonna head over to another part of the store. Oh, looks like they put out some more books. Let's see, what is this? Geo Knits, 10 lessons and projects for knitting. Stripes, chevrons, and triangles. Let's see. What is that right there? Clean My Space. The secret to cleaning better, faster, and loving your home every day. What the Dead Have Taught Me About Living Well. Okay. The Bones of Grace. The Glam Guide. That's interesting. They got some stuff up here too that I can't reach. Let's see. Home Sewn. Projects and inspirations for every room. Babes in the Wool, how to knit beautiful fashion dolls, clothes, and accessories. Oh, DIYs for using duct tape. Let's see what's down here. Better. How I Let Go of Control, Held On to Hope, and Found Joy in My Darkest Hour. So it looks like they put out some new books. Okay. So that's it for here. Oh, they brought these back. The color scented felt tip pens. Medium tip, and they have different colors. Blue, orange, red, green, purple, black. Those are cool. They restocked these donut pens and the mermaid pens. Oh look, they put back out more of the My Little Pony pens. I think I still have a few of them, even though I was giving them out in my Poshmark packages, but those are super cool. It's a Beautiful Day. This one with the llama. This one is cute with the marbled paper, and it says Girl Boss. And they do have the magnets on the back. This one with the food on it. It's a Beautiful Day. And that one says Inspire. And this location put out some of the new washi tape that I had just recently showed you guys. So that, oh, there's one that I didn't see. Oh, okay. So if you guys watched, remember when I was at the other store and I knew there was like something missing? It was actually this one. Look at that. That is so pretty. I definitely need to get that one. And then it was when I showed you guys that one right there, and those, and the cute little makeup. When I showed you this one right here, my camera is acting crazy. It's not focusing. So that was the one that I was missing, the cactus. And luckily there is two. They put a bunch of them out. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. So I'm gonna get two of the cactus since I have the other ones already. Oh, look at this one. I thought I saw all of the pictures, but apparently I missed that one. That is cute. Welcome Mermaids, and it's wood in the front, and it is a picture, but that's one that I didn't see as well. These are cute. This is a photo frame. It has the clip for the picture up here, and then at the bottom it says forever and always. Then I see this one, live for the moment. Same thing, but it's black. That one was white. And then this one is like a gold or beige color, and it says family is everything. Those are cute. Oh, look at these pins. These are so pretty. They're really fuzzy like that. And let's see, I see that one, which was like a purple. That's like a blue. And then you have a gray, and also this really pretty peach color, and this one. And the pin looks like that. Super cute. Oh, look, they got some goodie it says girl slumber cap. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Protects hair against breakage. We all know what those are. They even have, what is that, a shower bonnet. Oh, they have some more. So they have pink, purple, like a dark purple, and then this light purple. That's kind of cool. The only thing I'm seeing so far over in the food area is pumpkin spice bar mix, and these are limited edition. They should have had those out around Halloween or in the fall, but pumpkin spice is good, so I see those. Have these been this big? I don't think they have, but that's pretty cool for $1. You get 3.75 ounces of crushed red pepper. What else they got? They got garlic and pepper. Not bad. That's a big container. They got Memphis-Style Barbecue. See, I'm used to seeing them like this size right here. This one is actually way bigger. And then I also see garlic salt up here. Now I'm over by these snacks, and I'm gonna get out of here because this was a super quick walkthrough. I didn't really see too much today. They do have boxes and boxes in the aisle, so maybe I'll come back over this weekend. But for now, that was all I saw. So thank you guys for coming, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.